Do you know that the first drinks you have in the morning can either boost your kidney health or harm them over time? Starting your day with the right drinks can protect your kidneys, help your body flush out toxins, and even improve your energy for the day. Here are the top 5 morning drinks you should start drinking every day to support your kidneys and overall health. 5. Lemon water. Lemon water is one of the simplest and most powerful morning drinks for kidney health. Lemons contain citrate, a natural compound that helps prevent kidney stones from forming. Kidney stones occur when minerals like calcium build up in your urine and form hard crystals, which can be extremely painful. Drinking lemon water first thing in the morning helps reduce this risk naturally. Hydration is also crucial for your kidneys. When you're dehydrated, your kidneys have to work harder to filter waste, and this extra stress can affect their long-term health. Drinking lemon water in the morning not only hydrates you, but also kickstarts your metabolism and prepares your body for the day. Here's a tip. Squeeze half a fresh lemon into a glass of lukewarm water. Drinking it on an empty stomach helps your body absorb the nutrients better. Avoid adding sugar because that cancels out the health benefits. You can also add a pinch of ginger or turmeric for added anti-inflammatory effects, which are great for kidney function. Another benefit of lemon water is that it balances your body's pH levels, helping reduce acidity that can contribute to kidney stones. Make it a habit, and within a few weeks, you'll notice better digestion and a more energized morning. 4. Coconut water. Coconut water is a natural hydration booster, perfect for the morning. It is packed with electrolytes like potassium and magnesium, which help maintain the proper fluid balance in your body. Proper hydration is essential for kidneys to filter out toxins efficiently. Some studies suggest that coconut water may also help prevent the formation of crystals in the kidneys, reducing the risk of kidney stones over time. Unlike sports drinks that contain artificial sugars, natural coconut water keeps your kidneys safe while giving your body essential nutrients. Morning is the best time to drink coconut water because it helps replace fluids lost during sleep and support proper kidney function from the start of your day. Drink it before breakfast or alongside a light meal. Avoid packaged coconut water with added sugar. For added benefits, you can mix it with a splash of lemon juice. Coconut water also supports blood pressure regulation because potassium helps balance sodium levels. This reduces unnecessary stress on your kidneys and improves overall cardiovascular health. 3. Cranberry juice. Cranberry juice is known for its benefits for urinary tract health, and this also protects your kidneys. Cranberries contain compounds that prevent bacteria from sticking to the walls of your urinary tract, reducing the risk of infections. Fewer infections mean less stress on your kidneys, which are directly connected to urinary health. The best type of cranberry juice is 100% pure, without added sugar. Many cranberry juice cocktails are sweetened, and too much sugar can harm your kidneys instead of helping them. If the taste is too tart, mix it with a little water or combine it with lemon water in the morning. Drinking cranberry juice regularly may also help reduce inflammation in the kidneys and support overall urinary system health. People who are prone to urinary tract infections will see the most benefit. But even if you're healthy, it's a great preventative drink to include in your morning routine. Another tip, you can drink a small glass, about 150 milliliters, every morning and follow it with water to keep your body fully hydrated. Combining cranberry juice with lemon water creates a kidney-friendly powerhouse drink for the start of the day. 2. Green tea. Green tea is loaded with antioxidants, especially catechins, which protect your kidney cells from damage and reduce inflammation. Many kidney problems are linked to high blood pressure, poor metabolism, and oxidative stress, all of which green tea can help reduce. Drinking green tea in the morning supports healthy blood pressure, helps your metabolism, and reduces stress on your kidneys. Just 1 or 2 cups daily is enough. Avoid adding sugar, syrups, or sweeteners because that can negate the health benefits. A tip for kidney support, brew your green tea for 2 to 3 minutes and drink it warm. You can also add a slice of lemon for extra citrate, combining the benefits of 2 kidney-friendly drinks. Green tea also supports weight management, which indirectly protects your kidneys by reducing the risk of metabolic problems that strain kidney function. Green tea's anti-inflammatory properties make it a great alternative to coffee for those who want to reduce caffeine intake while still boosting energy in the morning. Over time, it helps protect your kidneys from damage caused by daily stressors and toxins in your diet. Number 1. Plain water. The number one morning drink for your kidneys is plain water. It may sound simple, but it's the most important. Water helps flush out toxins, prevents kidney stones, and maintain proper kidney function. Drinking water first thing in the morning jump-starts your hydration, which is critical after several hours of sleep when your body is naturally dehydrated. A simple rule: if you feel thirsty, you are already slightly dehydrated. Aim for a full glass of water in the morning, then continue drinking throughout the day to maintain optimal hydration. Proper hydration reduces the workload on your kidneys, allowing them to function efficiently and protect your long-term health. Keep a water bottle on your bedside table to remind yourself to drink as soon as you wake up. Drinking water before breakfast also helps improve digestion and supports energy levels for the day. To maximize kidney health, avoid sodas, energy drinks, and sugary beverages in the morning. These drinks put stress on your kidneys and can cause long-term damage. By starting your day with lemon water, coconut water, cranberry juice, green tea, and plain water, you give your kidneys a powerful advantage. Make these 5 drinks part of your morning routine consistently, and your kidneys and your body will thank you. Your kidneys work hard every day, and supporting them is one of the simplest ways to improve your overall health.